The ketogenic, or keto, diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan gaining popularity for its potential health benefits, including weight loss and improved metabolic health. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, the body enters a metabolic state known as ketosis. During ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This shift not only aids in fat loss, but may also lead to increased energy levels and mental clarity. Throughout the world, individuals are adopting this diet to manage their weight and improve overall health. Ketosis is a fundamental aspect of the ketogenic diet, where the body shifts from using carbohydrates to fats as its main energy source. When carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, the body starts converting fats into ketones, which serve as an alternative energy fuel. This metabolic process is known as ketosis. As the body burns fat rather than glucose, individuals often experience effective weight loss. Moreover, fats are not just burned, they're transformed into ketones, which can provide a more sustained form of energy, helping to improve cognitive functions and overall energy levels without the crashes associated with high-carb diets. Embarking on a keto diet requires thoughtful preparation to ensure success. Start by revamping your pantry, removing high-carb items and stocking up on keto-friendly staples such as healthy fats, nuts, and low-carb vegetables. Effective meal planning is crucial. It helps in maintaining the strict carb limit and avoiding spontaneous eating, which could derail your diet. Plan your meals to include a range of nutrients and flavors to keep your diet enjoyable and sustainable. Additionally, setting realistic goals is key. Whether it's weight loss or improved health markers, clear objectives provide motivation and a framework for tracking progress. Your provided scene information appears to be missing, which means I don't have specific content to create a narration. To ensure a meaningful and accurate output, please provide the key details or main points you'd like covered in the script. This could be anything from a thematic focus, a particular event, characteristic, or any element you wish to highlight. Once I have that information, I can craft a detailed and informative narration script that aligns perfectly with your needs. Transitioning to a ketogenic diet often presents several challenges. The keto flu, marked by fatigue and headaches, frequently affects newcomers as their bodies adapt to a low-carb regime. Social settings pose another hurdle, where peer pressure and limited keto-friendly options might tempt deviation. Staying motivated can be tough, but setting clear goals and celebrating small victories can provide a continuous drive. Additionally, eating out doesn't have to derail your diet. Opt for meals rich in proteins and fats, and don't hesitate to customize orders to fit your keto needs, ensuring you stay on track even when dining out.